Unfortunately, when you are raising kids and teaching them money lessons, there's no one size fits all. They each have their different learning styles, different capabilities, different personalities, but there are a few common mistakes I see parents make when teaching kids about money. Join me for this quick conversation to see if you're making any of them. Hi, my name is Holly Reed Tootle. I'm the creator of the masterplaybook.com, and you're in the right place if you want to raise money smart kids and give them a solid financial foundation. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click that notification bell. Today, we are going to talk about the 5 common mistakes parents make when raising money smart kids. The first mistake I see most parents make is they rely too heavily on the school curriculum. Yes, I know we expect our school systems to fill in all the gaps, but unfortunately, money management is not a topic or a subject that's taught in most schools. There is a trend now, and I'm so excited about it, where I am seeing more and more states make it mandatory for high school students to take a personal finance class before they graduate. And that's great news. But the research shows us that we should be teaching our kids about money management far sooner than before they reach high school, right? It's so many things that they need to make that we need to make sure they understand, and we can't rely on the school systems. They don't teach it consistently, and we have to start much earlier than before they become high school juniors and seniors. The second common mistake I see most parents make when it comes to teaching kids about money is not talking about money at all in the home. Money management can be a taboo topic. I get it. There are different cultures that, talking about money is a no no. I know I was taught that it's rude to talk about money, or it's impolite to ask people how much money they make, or to talk about your personal financial situation. But this is a trend that we have to stop. This is an opportunity for when we talk about money, when we initiate money conversations, for us to really focus on our values, our family values, and what's most important in our family. So it's really important that we just have to start initiating money conversations in the home. Number 3, lecturing once and expecting mastery. You know how we do. Money mastery requires practice. It takes repetition, it takes guidance, it takes us nurturing our kids, giving them instruction. It's just like when we teach our kids how to have good manners, right? And we have to remind them over and over again. Say thank you, say please, say no thank you. It's the same thing. We can't expect mastery after teaching them one lesson one time. That's not how this works. Again, it's going to require practice. It's going to require repetition. Number 4, failing to set money expectations. Yes, I see it time and time again. When our kids are gifted money or when they earn money, we often miss the opportunity to share with them what they should do next. So it's important to share with our kids and demonstrate how. How should they be managing their money? And so, one easy way of setting expectations is to start teaching your kids the 3 S's of budgeting, of allocating their money. And the 3 S's are as simple as save, spend, and share. You put away a certain amount to save, a certain amount to spend, and a certain amount to share. So, this is an easy way to start setting expectations with your child at an early age. Another example I see in this area specifically relates to our teenagers once they get a job, right? They start making their own money. But again, we fail to set the expectation. What do we expect them to do with their paychecks? This is a perfect opportunity for us to insert some guidance, that nurturing instruction, and hold them accountable to make sure that they are meeting and following our expectations. Number 5, jumping in to prevent mistakes. Where are all my helicopter moms? I know you're out there. Consider this: mistakes are often your child's best teacher. Consequences will shape and mold future behavior. So give your learner the room and the space to make their choices, to make their own choices, whether they are right or wrong. We can't always be there to jump in and save the day or to jump in and tell them the best decision to make. We need to give them a little room, give them a little latitude to make mistakes so that they can learn the lesson from it. Did any of these resonate with you today? If so, let me know in the comments. But listen, don't worry, give yourself some grace, like and subscribe to my channel, and check out more videos on what you can do to raise money smart kids.